Just going to give you guys a quick demo of the top profile, the camelback profile. And let's see, we're going to set this gate width to 12 feet and scroll down here to top profile. And you're going to pick a compound arch or camelback profile. And the defaults come in. If you zoom in here, you can see that you've got a little bit of a kink here where the two profiles come together. I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. Do one of two things. If your gate is bigger, let's say it's a 15-foot gate, then there is no kink. It comes together perfect. But if you're doing a 12-foot gate like that, you're going to scroll back down. And the easiest thing to do is lower the side arch height, and that gets rid of that kink. But also you'll notice that gives you a little bit of recurve here. So that means you need to adjust your side arch curvature. And you just, as you lower that, then that gets rid of the recurve. Now you can also add a straight section here. So let's say you come out, 6 inches for your straight section. And you see now that gives you an even sharper curve here, gives you more of a camelback. So there's a lot you can do with this. You kind of have to play around with it. The default values work pretty good for most gates in the, 13 to 16 foot range. If you get shorter, you really have to play around with it. And if you get longer, you definitely have to play around with it.